Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to raise your hand during a Google Meets call. So let's say you're in a Google Meets call, guys, and you'd like to say something and you don't want to just speak out just like that. And you want to have some manners, let's say, and raise your hands and wait for your opportunity to speak. It's very easy. All you have to do, you have to just basically look towards the bottom here. You have a bunch of options, and one of them is a hands up, and it's basically used to raise your hand. You can easily use like a hotkeys to do that as well. Is as you can see here, as I hover over it, it says Control Alt and H. That basically does the same thing. Or you can simply click on this as well. So basically all you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, others in the call will hear a beep, and they will basically see on their phone or their screen that someone has raised their hand and they would like to say something. And once you get that opportunity to speak, you can always press it again to remove it as well. The same goes for emoji. If you want to use one of those different icons, once you're finished, you need to tap on it again to basically remove it or disable it for the time being. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and raise your hands during a Google Meets call.